Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So now I'll just try to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock method works here really fast, so that's the good result for the unlock method. And I'm just sitting in the glasses, so I'll just try to unlock the device without them, and we'll see does it works normally, because okay, that's also work so fast as you can see. So I suggest you to try the face unlock method. For example, if you don't like some unlock methods like the pin codes or passcodes, you can try that, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than just pattern or pin code or passcode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.